Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to learn about ledger. Ledger, the books which contains a classified and permanent record of all transactions of a business is called a ledger. That means all the transactions are classified. They are divided among various heads and they are a permanent record. We have to prepare it individually on a separate papers. Need and importance of ledger. It is important for knowing the balances of each account. That means by looking at the journal entries, we can't find out the final balance of that particular account. So to know that, it is very convenient to prepare a ledger. It gives short information about each account. Obviously, as all the transactions related to a particular account is entered and are available at a single place, so it becomes very easy for us to know about that account. It is needed for making trial balance. As these are the steps which we have to follow in our accounting, that initially we have to prepare journals, then next step is to prepare ledger, and then afterwards then only we can prepare trial balance. So ledger helps in the preparation of trial balance. It helps in knowing how much amount is due for each customer and how much amount the firm has to pay to each supplier. So by looking at the account on, or we may say any specific account, we may got to know about the debit or credit balance of that account, and with the help of that only we can find out how much the firm owes, or how much amount a firm is going to get from its debtors. A trading and profit and loss account can only be prepared with the help of ledger balances. I have told you that there is a specific step which needs to be followed. So when we prepare ledger, then only we can prepare the trial balance, and after that we can prepare trading and profit and loss account. Let us see the advantages of ledger. All accounts are opened on separate pages in this book. We have to prepare each and every account on a separate pages. So all transactions related to the account are available all together, and various decisions can be taken by looking at that. A trading and profit and loss account can only be prepared with the help of ledger balance. I've just told you that after the preparation of ledger only, we can prepare the trial balance, and then profit and loss, and finally the balance sheet. A balance sheet can also be prepared with the help of ledger balance, which show the financial position of the business. We know that balance sheet represents the financial position of the business, and balance sheet, that's a final account. This also requires that ledger must be prepared at the beginning accurately. Any type of information relating to the business can be easily obtained from the ledger, as all the transactions are available on a single place. So it is quite convenient and easy to know about any account at a very less time. We don't have to spend too much time to know about that account, as all the required information is there at one place. Now let us see the format of ledger. See, on the left hand side, that is a debit column, and on the right hand side there is a credit column. On the debit column, the first column is the date, second is particular, then journal folio, and then amount. Again, the similar fashion is also be there on the credit hand side. That means again the date, particular, then journal folio and the amount. That means format on the debit and credit side are similar, are of same nature in case of the ledger formation in the format of ledger. So with this I am going to end my video. Thank you.